Welcome back to Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Welcome back, all my artists, creatives, crafters, and makers. Welcome back to the Lovely Lab, and welcome to Work It Wednesday. This is our first, and it'll be just once a month, where I take one Wednesday where I have gathered up a few pieces from my craft space, my creative collection, stash, vault, hoard, whatever you want to call it, and I packaged it up and send it to whoever drops me a quick email to the email in the description box. Now, the concept Work It Wednesday is really using whatever I send you to create what I say to create, which will be, in this case, just 2 cards. Now, what's being sent? Some handmade ephemera from my stash. This is some of the mass-made ephemera that you saw me make a couple of days ago, along with some pieces from like this is the only store-bought thing, but everything else is things that I've created. Labels and stamped images, tags or tabs, cut punch outs and things like that. I will send 2 blank cards in this month. There's going to be a couple doors that I've used recently, a piece of scrap shimmery paper, vintage, a couple sheets of, well, I think it's one, and this just really kind of just coordinates with the doors, just a little something to help you get started here, This paper that I've shown you guys is packaging, but look at that, if you can see that shimmer. All right, I love it. Book page, cardstock, one of my digitals, and a jelly print, I do believe. Now, this is actually a watercolor paint session from last year, and I think I taped off the edges. But nevertheless, that was fun. So I'm sending these items to whoever would like to create with them. Again, you'll be free to create 2 cards, one in which you'll keep or send to a friend, and the other you'll be able to send back to me. Okay? You can send it with a message or send it blank. I will include a postage, an envelope with a stamp on it so that you won't have to pay for postage. So this is what's happening on Work It Wednesday. I think I need my own theme song for that. I know I'm so extra. Anyways, so listen, again, if you would like to receive this, the first person that I receive an email to with your mailing address, I'm dropping that thing in the mail, and I'll shoot you a quick email once that has happened, so you'll know how soon it should be coming your way. Now, thanks so much for watching. If you're new to the channel, if you haven't already hit the subscribe button, I have no idea what you are waiting for. Look, this is the only channel where you get me along with free stuff. Now, on the other channels, you might get free stuff, but am I there? No, that's the key, right? Okay? Need I say more? Subscribe, bell, you got it. Until we're back here together on YouTube and Patreon, my friends, stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative and crafty. Bye for now. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community, and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.